In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from one GoDaddy account to another. If you need to move a domain to a different GoDaddy account, the process is fairly simple once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the transfer flow clearly so you can complete it without confusion. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're logged into the account that currently owns the domain name, because the transfer has to be started from there. Once you're inside your account, go to the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy lists the domains and other services connected to your account. In My Products, find the domain you want to move. When you locate it, click Manage next to that domain. This will open the settings and management area for the domain, where you can access different actions related to ownership and account changes. From there, look for the transfer option. Click it, and then choose Transfer between accounts. This is the correct option when you are not moving the domain to another registrar, but simply sending it from one GoDaddy account to another GoDaddy account. After selecting that option, choose the specific domain you want to transfer if GoDaddy asks you to confirm it. Then continue by following the prompts shown on your screen. GoDaddy will guide you through the remaining part of the process, and this is where you'll enter the recipient's information. Be sure to enter the recipient details carefully so the domain is sent to the correct account. Taking an extra moment here can help you avoid delays or mistakes. Once you've filled everything out and reviewed the information, continue through the prompts until you reach the final confirmation. When the process is completed successfully, you should see the option or confirmation indicating that the transfer has been submitted. At that point, the transfer request is on its way, and the receiving account will typically need to accept it, depending on the setup shown by GoDaddy. If anything looks different on your screen, just follow the wording provided in your account, since small layout changes can happen over time. And that's it. That's how to transfer a domain from one GoDaddy account to another using the Transfer Between Accounts option inside your domain settings.